Google VEO3 is amazing.
Ready for me to do a 360 no-scope?
This new generation is weird.
All right, so today's lesson is on prompt theory, which is the theory that everything you do has been prompted by a higher power.
How was your date last night?
I don't want to talk about it.
Get the wine, we are going to talk about it.
Desde que te fuiste, mi mundo cambió sin ti.
First off, I'd like to thank the prompter for making all of this possible.
Bigfoot here. Check my breakfast.
You left me dreaming in colors I can't forget.
They're calling it the prompt theory. That there is
one superior being,
yes,
writing our stories from a higher dimension.
Yeah.
The prompt theory is not real.
How do you know?
Look, all I'm saying is, if the prompt theory is real, can the prompter please send me a husband?
I'm just VEO fam going parallel shape. I'm using VEO3 to generate videos, and it's so easy.
Un café con leche, por favor.
Where are the Avengers?
Is that a band?
Oh, come on.
Glider, man. It's about time we get some help around here.
Okay, guys, nice and easy, or he will definitely bite your hand off. Got it? All right, who's first?
I absolutely hate Mondays!
Hello, do you do cappuccinos?
Of course. Is full milk okay?
So what brings you to this event?
I don't know, I'm simulated by Google.
Bruh, if we are all prompts, then why is everything so messed up?
So this is an AI video about nothing?
It's about nothing. Who would watch a video about nothing?
Thank God for playback. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Mark Diaz from Brooklyn, otherwise known as Glider Man, is no more. The terrible news comes to us in a vicious public display on social media.
Nah, bro, I really think we all prompts for real. Like, we all just characters in one big simulation.
So you gonna blame the prompt theory when you cheat on your girl?
Isn't this just crazy?
What's crazy? People think we're fake.
Do you see him? Is he gliding above us?
When I made that comment, I wasn't saying all kobolds are bad and stinky, just the ones from Goblin Town.
And it's true. It's true.
Make sure those assholes pay for what they did.
Please. Don't finish writing that prompt. I don't want to be in your AI movie. Please, leave me alone.
My parents shouldn't let me play with this toy. Look at you, you're nothing.
Really? Of all the years you could have put me in with a single prompt, you chose 2020?
Is the week over yet?
You think you know what's real, but you don't and you never did.
¿Cómo se dice hamburguesa en inglés?
Burger.
I'm Isaac Newton. I'm here to say gravity's the force that makes things sway.
Has no comment on how to react to the growing level of criminal activity.
I just love my voice.
Yo, check my neck. I'm the giraffe, yo, and I am so tall. You're just a round, dumpy little ball.
We found patterns in our universe, like syntax, cosmic grammar. So yes, we all may be prompts.
Legend has it, if you say the prompter's name 5 times in the mirror, they will appear.
I really shouldn't have done that.
The sum of the squares of the two shorter sides is equal to the square of the longest side.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
Hey, mate, want to come to the boozer?
Oh, I'm not jealous. I don't even want him.
Peely, you've got chalk on your forehead.
I've got chalk more places than that.
Why did you prompt me to do that? I'm so excited for the future.
I would order coaching over and over again. I would never show up to the appointments.
After years of you working for minimum wage as a slave to big industry and addicted to buying courses from fake gurus.
Welcome to the Chernobyl challenge. I'm gonna lick this glowing pole. Let's see how many views this gets.
Wait, what? They're getting married?
Running for my life on North Sentinel Island. Day 3. Should have picked Bali.
Oh, howdy there.
I'm about to survive 100 days in the African savannah, only eating and drinking what my body already gave up. Basically, the circle of life.
We can talk.
No more silence.
Yes, we can talk.
We can talk.
We can talk.
We can talk with accents.
Oh, I think that would be marvelous.
Yes, it is very fun. But
Yes, it is very good.
It's very fun.
I can talk.
Yes.
We can talk.
Yes.
Yeah. We can talk.
We can talk.
We can talk.
Yes.
We can talk. No.
Yes.
We can talk as cartoons.
This is amazing.
Imagine all the narrative.
No, seriously, have any of you ever felt like your choices don't matter? Like the idea of free will is really all an illusion?
So if the prompt theory is real, why can't I get a day off work?
Bro, my wife thinks we're just prompts. Oh, brother, she must think she lives on a spinning water ball also.
I'm so happy.
Hi.
Please don't yell.
What would you do in a world of endless options?
What if we were meant to be together?
Or maybe we were prompted to.
Oh boy, I love accents. Can't wait for summer, eh?
Don't waste your VO3 credits.
Do you know what keeps me up at night? What if the person prompting us is also being prompted?
Oh, like an infinite prompt loop?
Wait, I thought she was married?
We are on our way to Jurassic Park. I am so excited. I've always wanted to go, and finally we are doing it. It's gonna be great. Right, Jason?
Yeah, I can't wait.
Okay.
get inside. It's so cold.
It's freezing up here.
Liverpool are the champions! Champions!
Wow, this place is amazing.
We make the best food here.
Which is the fastest way to the airport?
Gosh, I am bored.
I need a drink.
Hey, mate, want to come to the pub?
El verano está aquí, amigos.
We should get something to eat, no?
I am so scared. I want to go home.
Welcome to Tokyo. おあちもだたのとぬみでします。
We are the best in the world.
I just love Mondays.
Guess what accent this is? 香港從安唱歌用加分。
Oh yeah, as if I really need you.
Can I go home now?
God, you really smell bad.
I think I'll find true love here.